What if I told you that the number 7 is not just a number, but a symbol of mystery and fascination across cultures, sciences, and even in your daily life? Welcome to a world where numbers are not merely tools for counting, but intriguing characters with stories to tell. Today, we're turning our spotlight on a particularly captivating character, the number 7. 7 is far from ordinary. It's a number that captures our imagination, making its mark in an astonishing range of contexts. From the 7 days of the week that structure our lives, to the 7 colors in a rainbow that enchant our eyes, 7 is everywhere. In the realm of science, 7 has a special place too. There are 7 notes in the diatonic scale, the basis for much of the world's music. The periodic table of elements, the fundamental catalogue of matter, holds a unique fascination for 7, displaying 7 horizontal rows of elements. Did you know that there are also 7 deadly sins and 7 virtues, 7 continents and 7 seas? Even our technology is smitten with 7. Consider the 7-layer OSI model that forms the backbone of our internet connectivity. In the sphere of spirituality and religion, 7 is considered sacred and significant across multiple beliefs. Christianity speaks of 7 virtues. Judaism celebrates the Sabbath on the 7th day, and Hinduism identifies 7 chakras or energy centers in the human body. Historically, 7 has been a symbol of perfection, completeness, and plenty. The ancient Greeks called it heptus, considering it a highly spiritual number. The Romans too revered 7, dedicating their 7th month, July, to Julius Caesar. So you see, 7 is no ordinary number. It's a symbol, an enigma, a beacon of fascination that transcends disciplines, cultures, and centuries. Join us as we delve into the world of the number 7, exploring its role in our lives and its influence throughout history. We promise it's going to be a journey full of 7s. In the realm of mathematics, the number 7 holds a special place. This unique digit is more than just a unit in our counting system. It's a number steeped in fascinating mathematical properties and theories. To get a taste of its mathematical power, consider the simple multiplication table of 7. Notice anything peculiar? Yes, the digits in the results repeat every 6 times, a cycle that is unique to 7 among the single-digit numbers. This cyclical pattern is a clear demonstration of the number 7's distinctive mathematical behavior. And now let's venture into the world of geometry. Consider the regular polygon with 7 sides, the heptagon. Unlike its 6-sided cousin, the hexagon, the heptagon cannot be constructed with a compass and straight edge alone, a feat only possible for polygons with a number of sides that's a power of a Fermat prime. This curious geometric property is a testament to the complexity and uniqueness of the number 7. In the realm of number theory, 7 also stands tall. It's the lowest natural number that cannot be represented as the sum of the squares of 3 integers. A fact that might seem trivial, but in the world of mathematics, such properties are what differentiate one number from another. In the field of algebra, 7 once again makes a grand appearance. It's the highest degree for which a general polynomial equation has been solved, thanks to the efforts of Évariste Galois in the 19th century. And let's not forget the role of 7 in the magical world of prime numbers. It's the 4th prime number and the only one less than 10 that is neither a twin prime nor a cousin prime. Clearly the number 7 is a mathematical marvel, but its magic goes far beyond numbers and equations. Science too has been captivated by the allure of the number 7. Let's embark on a journey across various scientific fields where the number 7 makes a significant appearance. Starting with the very symbol of beauty and diversity in nature, the rainbow. It's a delightful spectacle of 7 vibrant colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This stunning display of 7 hues is due to the refraction of light, a fundamental principle of optics. Next, we turn to the realm of music, another field where science and art converge. The Western musical scale comprises 7 distinct notes. These notes, when strung together in myriad ways, give rise to the melodies that can evoke a vast spectrum of human emotions. It's fascinating how the number 7 helps orchestrate the symphony of sound we enjoy. Switching gears to biology, we find the number 7 embedded in our very bodies. It's there in the 7 cervical vertebrae that make up the human neck. It's also present in the 7 pairs of true ribs protecting vital organs in our chest. In a way, the number 7 is part of our structural blueprint. Now let's travel beyond Earth to the cosmos. We find the number 7 in our very own solar system with its 7 non-dwarf planets. From the sweltering heat of Mercury to the icy chill of Neptune, these 7 celestial bodies weave a cosmic ballet around the sun. Our journey across the scientific fields wouldn't be complete without a nod to chemistry. The periodic table, the bedrock of this discipline, features 7 periods, or horizontal rows, reflecting the energy levels of an atom's electron configuration. As we traverse from the vibrant rainbow to the musical scale, from our biological structure to the cosmic ballet, and finally to the periodic table, the number 7 emerges as a recurring theme. It's a number that's intricately woven into the very fabric of our universe. As we can see, the number 7 is not just a number, but a fundamental part of our scientific understanding. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, the number 7 has always been a symbol of significance. Let's dive into the cultural depths of this enigmatic number. In many cultures, 7 holds a special place. For instance, in the ancient Middle East, 7 was considered a perfect number. The Babylonians divided the week into 7 days, a practice still followed today. The Egyptians revered the number 2 with their 7 gods of creation. Over in the West, the Greeks also held 7 in high esteem. The 7 sages of Greece, 7 liberal arts, and even the myth of the 7 against Thebes all underscore the cultural weight of this number. In China, 7 represents the harmony of yin, yang, and the 5 elements. It's a symbol of togetherness, completeness, and rest. And in Japan, the 7 gods of fortune, or Shichifukujin, are beloved figures promising prosperity and happiness. The significance of 7 transcends geographical boundaries, weaving itself into the tapestry of various religions. In Christianity, 7 is the number of divine perfection and completion, reflected in the 7 days of creation, the 7 deadly sins, and the 7 virtues. In Hinduism, there are 7 higher worlds and 7 underworlds, and the sacred Hindu wedding ceremony, Saptapadi, involves 7 rounds around the holy fire. In Islam, believers circle the Kaaba 7 times during the Hajj pilgrimage, and there are 7 heavens in Islamic cosmology. Even in the realm of folklore and fairy tales, 7 makes its mark. The Brothers Grimm gave us the tale of Snow White and the 7 dwarfs, while Western folklore is peppered with references to the 7th son of a 7th son, often imbued with special powers or destined for a unique fate. These examples are but a glimpse into the cultural reverence for the number 7. They underscore its global significance and the shared human fascination with this number. Through the lens of culture, the number 7 transforms from a simple digit to a symbol of global unity and diversity. The number 7 doesn't just exist in textbooks and theories, it's a part of our everyday lives. Let's start with a week, the basic unit of time that structures our lives. Have you ever wondered why a week comprises 7 days? This tradition dates back thousands of years, influenced by the ancient lunar calendar and religious beliefs. In the realm of geography, we often talk about the 7 continents that make up our world. Yes, from the frigid landscapes of Antarctica to the bustling cities of Asia, the world is divided into 7 distinct landmasses. Then there's the tale of the 7 seas. While the phrase 7 seas was historically used to describe all the waters of the world, it has come to represent the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic, Southern Caribbean, and Mediterranean seas in modern times. In the realm of technology, there's a 7-segment display, the kind of display used in digital clocks and many electronic devices. Each digit is created using 7 distinct segments, hence the name. When it comes to music, let's not forget the 7 notes that make up the diatonic scale. These 7 notes are the backbone of Western music, giving us the melodies and harmonies that fill our world with sound. In the world of visual arts, there are 7 primary colors visible in a rainbow, a beautiful natural phenomenon that never fails to captivate us. Even in our body, the number 7 makes its presence felt. We have 7 vertebrae in our necks, a fact that medical students will certainly be familiar with. So you see, the number 7 is more than just a numeral. It's a constant companion, subtly making its presence felt in our day-to-day life. Next time you come across the number 7, remember, it's not just a number, it's a symbol of the world's fascination with the magic of 7.